Hey everyone, I am here with a fun little idea that I just kind of had to play around with some envelopes. And these envelopes and all the pieces of this are in the June subscription kit, but you don't need to have that. This would work with any envelopes you have. I've not seen this done. I'm sure it's been done, but I'm just gonna go ahead and play with it. The goal here is I wanted to make like a fun little book that would kind of fold over a page in a journal. So at the end, I'll show you kind of what I envision that looking like. So let's go ahead and get started. I have my two envelopes. Normally this would be the top of the envelope, so I left that one open on both of these. Now on this one I had forgotten to print pretty paper on the inside, but it's okay because this one's going to get tucked in that one and you won't see it. So let's just kind of go for it and see what we get. All right, now I'm just putting glue on the tip because I've got to tuck that hopefully inside of this, and it's not as easy as you might think. So I want to get those edges all lined up and get that in there nice and straight, making sure everything lines up. That is pretty dang good. We're gonna go with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and push that down. If you need to get like a ruler in there to kind of flatten that out, then go for it. And then we're gonna go ahead and glue this down as well. And so now we have this really cool little pocket made out of two envelopes. So it's like a little kind of mini book. All right, there you go. And it has these two pockets here are still open. And how I envision this going into a journal is like if you have a paper, just a plain paper, then you could put it here and just clip it on and it will just stay in place for you. So anyway, let's embellish, shall we? This will be fun. All right, first of all, I just have these really fun journal cards, and this part's really easy because they're printed on both sides for journaling and they're just simple and fun. And those are just gonna come into these main big pockets here and just be there to pull out and journal on. Let's see, oh yes, I made these little corner pockets and some cute little tags. So I think I'm gonna switch my tags. There we go. I want this one over here because it contrasts with the paper. All right, so I made this, I just took a square of a paper that I had, scrap, and I just cut it in half to create two little corner pockets. I used an edge punch to make a fun edge on that corner pocket. I like to do that on corner pockets. It just makes it more interesting, but you don't have to. And I'm gonna make one corner pocket on this side, and I have another one ready to go for this other side. So I'm really just using some symmetry here, keeping it easy. And it doesn't have so much bulk that you can't add it to a journal, and it's too bulky to really do anything else with. So I kind of like the size. All right. So I just created some, with these little scraps, I just created some fun little layers. So let's go ahead and just put them on. Oh, I inked already for you, so you don't have to watch me ink anything. That's probably good if I scoot that over just a hair. Try to get that straight. And I use that same corner punch for this little bit of layering strip scrap paper too, just for fun. So in the kit there's this cute little tiny tag. I'm going to go ahead and put him just in the center. Maybe I'll bring him over so I'm not hiding so much of my cute hole punched paper right there. All right, let's go ahead and add an eyelet to him. I'm gonna just eyeball it. That looks pretty good. And we'll go ahead and just add a little quick eyelet to it. I'll probably come back in and add some twine to him, because then it won't add a lot of bulk and it'll just fits the style. The twine just fits the style. Oh, I have a little scrap right here. I'm gonna put it in right now. I'll just put it right through. And I don't need quite that much, so we'll just trim it down. And then you have a cute little pocket there. All right, in this pocket, oh, we have this handsome gentleman. And he's going to go right in the center. You could add some other layers. There's plenty of fun stuff in this kit if you want to add more, but I kind of just like that clean cut. I like it. I like it. So I'm gonna leave it. I want a matching eyelet on this side. I don't know if I have another scrap lying around. That was kind of lucky. So we'll just see. Oh, this one might be a little short. We'll try it. Let's try it. Why not? Because think how happy that little scrap will be to get to be used in the journal. It's a little short. Not too bad. Not too shabby. All right. There we go. And then I have this fun little faux ephemera that can go in there as well. And I wanted to put some words on here. So I have this cute little hat. We'll go ahead and put that down first. Here we go. And this is not gonna need much glue, but I think it'll be cute. There we go. And I like when I'm layering stuff to leave little bits of as much as I can poking out, because I like how it gives it that layered effect. So that's kind of a little tip to think about while you're doing it. Oh, I have a pocket watch for this over here. And doesn't he look like he would have a pocket watch? It's perfect. It's meant to be. All right. I think I'll angle it just a little bit. Cute, cute. All right, and that is the inside. That was easy. All right, let's do something here. So do I want this or do I want a pocket? Let's see what we've got here. So I think I kind of like this on that paper more. Ooh, I just like that. Ah, I like them both. Okay, that's okay. We're just gonna go for it. So this is just a little slide pocket. It's all ready for you to just cut out. Really easy to use. But I do recommend trying to get nice and close to all of the edges so that the papers stay down really nicely for your cards to go in and out more easily. So put that down. Isn't that cute? Just a little pocket. So fun. All right, now I have this fun tall card that's gonna go in there, and I have this shorter card and it stops right there so that you now have this cute little card in your window right there. So really easy, simple, fun. Oh, I wanted to add a fun little tab, just like, yes, just like right here. Let's go ahead and do that now. I want to make sure I don't catch my tag in the tab. But this would be really fun if you wanted to add any kind of like an eyelet or a dangle that would hang down. That would be a good place for that to go right there. Oh, that's so cute. All right. Now on this side, I just have this really easy little tuck. So I rounded the edges just so you're aware it's squared off in the kit. And there's no flaps to fold under, so your pocket will get smaller. Hopefully that's mostly straight. All right, and I have this cute little faux ephemera piece that I just ripped out of one of the pieces. I printed it on, oh, like a newsprint paper. It's almost like a coffee dyed, very lightweight paper. It's really pretty. And then we have these two beauties. I think for this guy, I think I want to go ahead and do one more eyelet for him. He just kind of seems to want an eyelet, don't you think? Or you could use some lace and just staple it or sew it to the top. You could use a tab. You could even just use a scrap piece of paper and fold it over the top. I really like how that looks too, but I think we'll just keep with the theme here and use one more eyelet. I'm gonna have to get out the rest of my twine. This is what mine came on, just like a spool of this, kind of like a baker's twine, I would say. And we'll go ahead and put that guy in. Awesome, so fun, and still too long. I just still want it too long, sticking out the top. But there you have it, like such a fun little easy folio to kind of fold over a journal page. So I'll show you one more time how I was thinking. It could just go into a pocket, like in a journal, just in a pocket. But I was thinking it would be really fun to have it hang over two papers and then just use like a paper clip to kind of clip it in place. And then you can just pull that off and look at it. Or on this side, oh, let me get it where you can see it. On this side, it would be cute too, to just have it either way on that paper. So, and it's not super bulky, it's pretty thin, pretty lightweight, and just a really pretty effect. So anyway, try playing around with just getting two envelopes and tucking them together, decorating them, cute paper, cute embellishments, and see what you come up with. So fun, quick little project and a big effect. So really fun. Anyway, we will talk to you later, and I'll put those links down below if you're interested, and have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.